आम आदमी पार्टीची फुडारी सिसिल रॉड्रिगीसान पणजेच्या एका रिक्रुटमेंट एजन्सीचे सत्य उक्ताडार हाडला. गोंयच्या कांय तरणाट्यांक कुवेटचो वर्क ऑन एंट्री विजा दिला. 2 वर्सांक कंत्राट आनी एम्प्लॉयमेंट विजा दिता अशें सांगून तांकां एंट्रीत विजा दिला. तशें विजा दिवच्या आदल्या दिसा कुवेट वचपाच्यो तिकेटी बूक केल्यात. मात ह्यो गोंयच्यान न्हय तर मुंबयच्यान. हे तरणाटे करंजाळे, वास्को, मडगांव, फोंड्या, सांवड्ड्या अशा वेगवेगळ्या वाठारांनी रावपी आसात. ह्या तरणाट्यां कडल्यान 80,000 परस चड रक्कम घेतल्या आनी कुवेट गेल्या उपरांत तांकां बळजबरी राजिनामो दिवपाक लावन 3, 6 वा 9 म्हयन्यां भितर परत धाडल्यात. तशेंच ह्या तरणाट्यांच्या पालकांक ह्या एजन्सी कडल्यान धमक्योय मेळ्ळ्या. ह्या तरणाट्यांनी दुतावासांत आनी ह्या एजन्सी आड कागाळ केल्या आनी गोंयच्या आनी देशांतल्या हेर तरणाट्यांची अशी फटवणूक जावची न्हय देखून ह्या एजन्सींचो परवानो रद्द करचो अशी मागणी केल्या.
Lot of youngsters are going abroad and they are going through these agencies, through the newspaper cuttings that we get, we call up. They say that they're going to be given work visa and at the last minute they are given residential visa. They are made to stay like slaves inside and lot of confusion, lot of threats, lot of trouble that these youngsters have gone through. And the contract which was supposed to be for 2 years, they've come down within like 3 months or 6 months, 8 months. Parents have taken, this gentleman here is a parent, he's taken loan and paid like 80,000 to this particular company. We can't take the name out right now, but he's paid this particular company and it's a loan that is taken. Plus all the medicals and all the other process was not borne by the company. Please make sure that you are aware of which agency is giving you the right visa. If they're sending you on a residential visa, please don't take it and suffer later on. Because right now these youngsters have the courage to make a complaint at the embassy. We are going to be following it up right till the end and we are hoping that this particular company, this agency, gets convicted and these youngsters are given their rightful dues.
Whoever trying to go abroad through a consultancy or any agent, first check if that agent is verified on embassy, like if they are verified with the embassy, and check if they are giving you the proper information of all the things they are going to deliver it to you or not. Check the agreements, whatever they give it to you, before signing it, go through it properly. And when they are giving you the visa, check if it is an entry visa, residence visa, because on residence visa you cannot work in abroad country. You have to get an employment visa.
While sending, you all also accompany with your children, because some parents, like first time, it was my first time with my son to go and I was not knowing about it. So anyhow, I am trying to tell all the parents, just go with your children, because some of the agents just treat the children saying that this, that, unwanted things.